Hello, this is Kader Agarselik. Now you can see how the extraction of follicular units takes place using a micromotor. Individual hair follicles are extracted from the donor area and placed in a special solution. The procedure is usually performed under local anesthesia, which means that the patient is awake but does not experience any pain during the procedure. After the procedure, the patient may experience some discomfort and swelling, which typically subside within a few days. The extracted follicles are then sorted and prepared for transplantation. Tiny incisions are made on the scalp where the transplant will take place, and the extracted follicles are gently placed into these incisions with the help of tweezers. Finally, the scalp is cleaned and bandaged. Over time, the transplanted hair follicles will begin to grow, leading to the restoration of natural-looking hair. In this video, you watched the steps of the Follicular Unit Extraction (FUE) hair transplant procedure. Thank you for watching this video and like it, subscribe to our channel, there will be a lot of interesting things.